Right now we are gonna install Windows Server 32-bit in VMware Workstation. And to install in VMware Workstation, we click VMware Workstation first, and we click create a new virtual machine. I recommend you to choose typical recommended, and we click next. If you are using an ISO file, choose installer disk image file ISO. If you don't have it right now, you can choose I will install the operating system later. To install, to choose the file, we can click browse and select the drives and search for the operating system. Click open. Right now I'm gonna install an operating system Windows Server 2008 32-bit. Click next to continue. If you don't have the Windows product key, just continue, click next. You did not enter the Windows key. Windows key will install without one. You must. Yes. We can name the virtual machine name, and we can name it maybe Windows Server 2008 32-bit. And then we click next. The maximum disk size here is 40 GB, but because I have low size for my hard disk, I'll just make it around 15, and I will choose split virtual disk into multiple files and click next. To continue, just click next, finish. We can just wait for a while and waiting for loading. Click here. We can click Ctrl Alt to release the mouse cursor to go out for our mouse, and you can click again to the window of virtual machine to go to inside of the virtual machine. You can just click here, choose which operating system. You can click here and choose which operating system and click next to install.